Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this quick video, I am going to tell you about the wrong combination of food according to Ayurveda. So first and the foremost wrong combination of food according to Ayurveda is combination of milk with meat. If you are eating meat for certain reasons or meat is your staple food, never ever combine it with milk, because when you combine milk and meat, it will cause certain skin diseases and these will be incurable like leukoderma. So it is very important that never make this combination of coffee with meat, milkshake with meat, milk with meat, any milk product with meat. So next total no in Ayurveda is never combine by weight equal amount of ghee and equal amount of honey, because that amounts to poison. That means it will cause various kind of toxins in your system. Though ghee is extremely nourishing, immunity enhancer for your body, and honey is also immunity modulator for your system. But when you combine these two extremely good things by weight, equal by weight, can cause various kind of toxins in the system, which can ultimately invite various kind of chronic ailments. So there is big no for combination of ghee and honey by weight. Next is there is big no for the combination of grains and fruit. Like so what does this mean? Like we cannot eat fruits with grains, and for most of the people it brings a lot of confusion, like how it cannot be combined. Like many times it happens, like you are eating one bite of chapati or one bite of any wheat, anything that is made up of wheat, and at the same time you are sipping juice of fruits. So in Ayurveda there is big no for this combination. It's been said if you have to fruit, you have to eat separately in the beginning when you start your meals, or best is to have fruits half an hour minimum before food. But yes, one bite of fruits, one bite of grains, this is totally no in Ayurveda. Either you finish fruits in the beginning, or you have your fruits 1 or 2 hours before your meal. Next quick tip, no combination is yogurt and eggs. If you are eating omelette in your home, never ever eat it with yogurt, because according to Ayurveda it is totally off combination, and never combine egg with yogurt. And what are the other things that you should not combine with yogurt? That is any hot drink. Never ever take any hot drink with yogurt, because your yogurt has very hot in potency though cold in temperature. And in Ayurveda there is a lot of importance has been given about hot potency foods, cold potency foods. So a lot of combinations are being made on that basis. So never try to have yogurt with eggs. Next big no is never take milk products with yogurt. Like if you are drinking one sip of milk, one sip of yogurt, one sip of milk, one sip of yogurt. So this is very big no according to Ayurveda. Next quick tip is, there is very famous food in India that is called chicken biryani, and people are using meat with grains. So this is totally wrong combination according to Ayurveda, because if you see even Western people in West, when they are eating meat, they are eating only meat. They are not combining it with some grains, because if you are combining meat with grains, it is of totally viruddha ahara, or bad combination of food, which will take a lot of time to digest, and it is not good for health. So next big no-no tip is if you are eating melon with anything fried. If you are eating any kind of melon, whether it's watermelon, muskmelon, any kind of melon, it's total contraindicated with any kind of fried food. If you are eating any fried food, you should not combine it with any kind of melons because it can cause loose motions and acidity. Next no quick combination is lemon with milk. Many times it's been seen that people are preparing something spicy with some kind of sauces, and especially they are putting lemon in certain natural food, especially for vegetarians they are squeezing lemon a lot in their fruit salads or something like this, and at the same time they are drinking one glass of milk. So this is totally no combination. If you are combining it, it is not at all good for health. Next big no is garlic with milk. So if somebody is eating a lot of garlic as a treatment point of view, or in food if you are using garlic, avoid hot glass of milk along with any garlic pickle or garlic dish or garlic layer of garlic that you are putting on breads, and after that drinking milk. So it is totally no combination according to Ayurveda, because garlic is acidic in nature, so it enhances tamas or acidity in the system if you are using garlic paste on breads with butter or something. So what is happening, just to remove the excessive acidity that will happen in the stomach with excessive use of garlic, little bit garlic we can use as a medicine, but still not with a combination of milk. But if you are using it, what is happening, it is causing acidity in the stomach. It was very common. That's why to buffer that acidity, people start using a glass of milk so that no acidity problems. But according to Ayurveda, like use of garlic is being mentioned but restricted. In Ayurveda, they use garlic as a medicine, not as a food. So it is very important, like those things which are mentioned as medicine, they should be used as medicine, not as a big food in place of vegetables. So it is very important, like if you are using garlic, don't combine it with milk. Next big no in Ayurveda is combination of banana and milk. Banana shake. Now banana shake is a combination of milk and banana. But have you ever observed banana shake is extremely difficult to digest as compared to if you are eating banana separately, then after banana you are having milk. So you can have both these separately but don't combine it. So banana shakes are totally contraindicated in Ayurveda, because banana is kapha enhancing, milk is kapha enhancing, so and because of its guru gun, that is heaviness, it is his quality, and it becomes very difficult for a person to digest this banana shake if they are drinking it. So it is very important, if you are taking milk and banana, take them separately. Next big no in Ayurveda is these smoothies. I have observed in smoothies, people are using this much butter, they are using this much cheese, they are using a lot of green vegetables in it, and you know, this much cheese, this much butter, so many calories, and people are recommending these dishes. They are quick in making and you don't feel hunger throughout the day. Definitely you will not feel hunger throughout the day because it is too much calories, and believe me, to this level of calories, it is not possible for each and every human being to digest these kind of calories. So what happens when you are eating such a heavy diet, most of the food will remain undigested, and as you know, in undigested means formation of toxins in the system or ama, which is completely no according to Ayurveda. You can have ghee, you can have cheese, but in limited quantities. It is not like you are making something just to save time, and just in your mixer jar you are just mixing everything and just drinking one glass of it, then whole day you don't feel hungry. But you also see at the same time this will cause a lot of cholesterol problems, lot of fat problem in the system, and this fat got deposited in various in various parts of your body, and ultimately it will also lead to atherosclerosis, that is plaques, cholesterol levels will be high, and it can also lead to hypertension eventually. If you keep doing it, if you are not putting attention to cook food separately 2 times or 2 times a day at least, and if you are doing this, that only once you are drinking 1 glass of this kind of food once a day, and then next morning you are drinking same glass of food, believe me, it is not at all good for health. It is very important, according to Ayurveda, like they said, a lot of attention should be given while cooking, while eating, while preparing, while choosing ingredients, the method of preparation of food. It causes a lot of difference, the way we eat, the way we think, the way we feel things. So in Ayurveda, a lot of importance has been given how we cook, how we eat, and what kind of ingredients we use. Next big no-no combination of food in Ayurveda is onion and milk. These days, if you go to hotels, especially Indian curries, even Western in West, there are various Indian restaurants, they are using a lot of onion, and in curries, these curries are being prepared on the name of Indian food. They use a lot of onion in it, but believe me, these are not Ayurveda cooking. And they are serving various kind of milk drinks with it. So I would like to tell you, this onion and milk is big no-no combination. It can cause various kind of skin problems. So if next time if you are ordering something which has onion in it, don't order milk with it. Next quick tip is, if you are eating any kind of orange, never ever have it with a glass of milk. Orange and glass of milk is viruddha ahara. You should never combine it, because once you eat orange and then you put milk, it immediately it works as a wrong combination, and you will feel different kind of burps if you are doing it. So body itself quickly tells like this combination of food was not good. Next big no-no combination of food is cucumber and milk. So if you are eating any cucumber salad and after that you are drinking milk just to lose your weight, or just in the form of any kind of detoxification, make sure like cucumber should be eaten separately, milk should be taken after 2.5 hours of being eaten cucumber. It should not be taken like one sip of cucumber, one bite of cucumber and one sip of milk. It's totally wrong combination. So these are the most common tips or mistakes that people do when they are combining food. So I thought I will make a video regarding it, and I hope this video will be help for many of the people who are very busy in their lives to make their health better. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. You can click the bell icon and you can hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. And also, if you want Ayurveda consultation, you please write down to us. We will let you know how you can have Ayurveda consultation. You can also leave a message on our Rasa page, or you can also approach us on Facebook page as Dr. Nagi or Eustace. To any one of us, you can write and we will get back to you. So that's all for today. I hope you will like it. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. And if you have any questions, please don't forget to write down your questions. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.